Knock knock. As Christmas jingles are already on the door, where are you? So let's start the video. Do you know what to do when you get your work permit? So I'm Survi and I'm here to help you out in order to let you know what to do when you get your work permit. So now there are two steps you have to do. Number one, update your SIN number. So in order to apply your SIN number or update your SIN number, number one step you can do is either go to the online portal or the link is in the description below. You can check that out. Number two, what I personally do, all the documents over there and they'll update your SIN number. Number third is going via mail. So you can send all the documents via mail, but I will prefer you to go with the second point, that's walk into the clinic. I'll show you the next video how am I going to do over there and what are the things that they are gonna ask to you. So stay tuned and subscribe for that. Let's move to the second point, that's MSP. So the next point is updating your medical service plan, that is called as MSP. If you're going from student to work permit, you need to update your MSP. That will be helpful for you with the link given in the description below. And now I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step. That will make it easy for you to understand. So let's start it.
So in order to cancel your MSP, click on the link down there. Go to continue manage my account. Write your name, first name, your last name. Write your PHN, that is the number behind your MSP card or health card. Write your birthday, whatever it is. As account holder, are you requesting to update information? Yes. Which information you want to get update? Update the status in Canada. I got my work permit, that's a temporary resident. So click on work permit, upload your work permit, click on continue. Then you will go to the second page, that is for your spouse. If you have spouse, add your spouse. If not, you can skip. If you have child, add your child. If not, then you can skip. After that, they'll ask you your residential details, city, and the mailing address. That's it.
So guys, thank you for watching till now. Subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.